Another handy little tool from Macabacus is duplicate shape. As you can see over here, we have this particular shape on the first slide, but not on the other slides in the presentation. We have the ability to duplicate this shape across all slides in the presentation so quickly. Let's go ahead and select this shape and then go up under Macabacus. In here, where it says More Shape Tools, we want to open this up and select Duplicate Shape. Let's click this. As you can see, this shape is now appearing on all these slides in the presentation. What an amazing little tool. It's great to know that these tools and functions exist in Macabacus. Each one of them individually may not save enormous amounts of time, but added up together, collectively, these tools and functions from Macabacus are going to save us so much time as we're working in PowerPoint. If you're enjoying these tips and would like to see more of our content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you soon in the next video.